In this video, I will show you how to merge two audio files using VLC Media Player step by step. And yes, VLC can actually do that. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and make sure you're using the desktop version. At the top menu, click on Media, then choose Convert or Save. In the new window, click the Add button and select the first audio file you want to merge. Now click Add again and select the second audio file you want to combine with the first one. Make sure both files appear in the list and check that they are in the correct order because VLC will merge them exactly in that sequence. Once you're done, click on Convert or Save at the bottom. In the Convert window, choose where you want to save the final merged audio file. Give the file a name and make sure it ends with MP3 or another audio format you prefer. Now here is the important part that most people miss. Click on the little range icon next to the selected profile to edit the settings. Go to the Audio Codec tab and make sure audio is selected. Set the codec to MP3 and keep the bitrate at a reasonable value like 192 or 256 for good quality. Click Save to confirm the settings. Back in the Convert window, double-check the destination file and format, then click Start, and VLC will begin merging the two audio files into one. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, and once VLC finishes, it won't show a message, so don't panic. Just go to the folder you selected and play the output file. You should now hear the first audio playing, followed immediately by the second one. If the audio did not merge correctly, reopen VLC and make sure the files were added in the right order. Also double-check that the output file name is different from the original files. This method works for music files, voice recordings, and most common audio formats, and the best part is that you don't need any extra software because everything is done inside VLC. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.